Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Samsung J2 is unlocked and has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings, tap Accounts, then Google. Once there, choose the account you want to change. If prompted, enter your current Google password to verify identity. This is required to proceed. Make sure you have access to recovery email or phone in case two-step verification triggers. Now that verification is done, you're ready for the password change flow. You'll tap Manage your Google account, then swipe to the Security tab. This groups login controls together. Select Password and re-enter your current credentials when asked. This proves it's you. Next, type a new strong password. Use at least 12 characters, mix letters, numbers, and symbols for safety. Confirm the new password exactly. Small typos lock you out. Once accepted, Google updates the credential across services, so make sure you remember or save it securely. After changing the password, sign back into Google on your Samsung J2. Apps like Gmail will prompt you. Make sure to update saved passwords in other apps and any third-party services that use the old credential. If a sync error appears, restart the phone and re-authenticate. If you get locked out, use your recovery email or phone to reset again, or retrieve two-step verification codes. That's the fastest troubleshooting path when standard login fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.